to buy on TikTok shop using PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy on TikTok shop using your PC. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the TikTok shop's official website, and after that just simply log into your account if you already have an account in your TikTok shop. If you don't have the account and you want to be a seller or a partner with TikTok shop, just simply click on join now button, and after that you will be able to see two options. Either you can join as a seller center in the TikTok shop, or you can join as a partner desktop for the TikTok shop in your PC. And after that just simply log into your TikTok account, and in your TikTok account, as you can see that in my home screen, there is no such option to shop anything from my TikTok account, because simply TikTok doesn't have that option right now on my TikTok account. But if you want to buy something from your TikTok account, just simply go to the search bar, and over here just simply search for shop, and as soon as you click on shop you will be able to see the bunch of different accounts which sells product on TikTok. Just go to your preferred shop. For example, you want to buy makeup, let's take that as an example, and after that you will be able to see that there are so many listing and the product that has been shown by the people for this particular account. So for example, you want to buy some product, just simply click on that particular video, and after that they will provide you the link of the product that they are using in that particular video, and after that you can go ahead and purchase that particular product using that link. So this is basically how you can shop on TikTok. So that's how you will be able to shop on TikTok shop using your PC. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.